Welcome to Quake Update. Today we are here to introduce you and talk to you about after long-term and short-term effects after the earthquakes. Yes, we are focusing on Kashmir earthquake. Anyway, we have some shocking scenes from Kashmir. We are handing you over to our two girly presenters, Cindy and Mindy.
We are going to talk to you today about the
long-term and
short-term effects of an earthquake.
First, let's start with the short-term.
Well, the short-term are basically somewhere to sleep and stay and shelter from.
You need food, water
and heat.
And you will also need measles vaccinations for long and short-term.
And please, you can, in the long term, donate some money so that people can rebuild their houses and buy food and water to keep everyone alive. Thank you.
Number please don't forget. Long-term effects are that the hospitals being knocked down in the earthquake were trapped under the mudslide. So these new hospitals which cost millions of pounds to rebuild.
So schools. So you can donate some old school books or
old school books, pens, pencils,
help them have a better education. And if you really want to know more about the earthquake, go to www.quakenews.com.
Important facts. The Kashmir earthquake was a 7.6, killed over 90,000 people. 19,000 of them were school children due to the time of day when the earthquake struck. Many landslides occurred in the earthquake
and fires.
And here is a fire now.
I'm home and I've lost my mom and I've lost my dad.
Is there any hope left?
No. I haven't got enough money to survive. All I need is £5. Well, no one can donate anything. So I'm probably quite sad.
What happened to your school or your hospital?
I was in school and it collapsed. It was empty. I lost all my friends as well. I didn't get underneath the table in time, and the brick landed on my face, and yeah, I'm really weak now, and I've also broken my arm.
How does this change your life? Everyone I know is dead. Everyone, my family, my friends, even my enemies is dead.
How does this make you feel?
So upset. My life will never ever be the same again. I don't even know if I can bear to live.